So today I'm gonna make 4 types of parathas using just 2 masalas, that is chili powder and salt. So for the first type of paratha we are going to use coriander leaves, that is dhania, and we are going to add salt and red chili powder in it. According to taste you can add a little or more. So I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt and a pinch of red chili powder. If you haven't had yet the coriander leaves paratha, you have to try this. It's really tasty. And I'm also going to add some cumin seeds in it. And now we are going to make the paratha. For this we are going to take this dough and we are going to make a roti out of it. And in the middle I'm going to put this masala mix, and I'm going to add a little bit of ghee just to spread it out. And using our hand we are just going to spread this mixture evenly on all the sides, and then we are going to fold it in half, then half again, and then the 2 sides, just to make it a square paratha. And now we are going to roll it again in square shape only. Just roll it thin so that it becomes a little crispier when you cook it on the tawa. So we are going to cook one side of this paratha and then turn it around and apply some ghee, and then cook the other side again and apply some ghee. And now I'm going to press it with this masher so that all the sides cook evenly, and by pressing it it's just making it more crispier. Actually my mom just randomly tried this recipe and she had like a lot of dhania leaves at home, and she just tried this paratha and we all loved it. So I just tried to make it again, and this is how it looks like. It's so crispy and yummy. You can have it just the paratha itself or with dahi, or you can have it with any type of pickle. So for the second type of paratha I'm using this onions, and it's onion paratha, and you can add this salt and a little bit of red chili powder. That's all we need. So we are just going to mix this with the onion. I know there are several recipes of onion paratha, but that includes so many masalas and the actual taste of the onion is just getting ruined with this. So I'm just using these 2 masalas. So we are making this dough like katori shape, and we are going to fill this masala inside, and we are going to seal it from the top, and I'm just going to press it like round, and we are going to make a round paratha with this. When I used to go to school, I used to take this paratha every day in my lunch box, and I used to love this. These paratha recipes are so easy to make, and you need very few ingredients that are readily available at everyone's home, and it's easy to make. And like this last paratha we made, we are going to just apply some ghee on both sides, and we are going to press it with the masher like before, and just to make it crispy and all the sides are evenly cooked by this process. So all these parathas recipe really good for travel, and you can easily take these while traveling, and this can be a really great snack, and you don't need any extra sabji with it. And yeah, you can eat this paratha by itself. So that's how our onion paratha is ready. It's really tasty, and you can have it with dahi or pickle, but by itself also it's really yummy. So this third type of paratha is my favorite. So we have taken this roasted besan or gram flour, and we have roasted it on the tawa for some time, just a little bit, till the smell of the gram flour changes. And we are going to add some red chili powder and again the salt according to taste, and we are also going to add some ajwain in it. These are carom seeds, and we are going to, it just gives a little bit of enhanced taste in it, and we are going to add some ghee in it and going to make a paste like thing. So the consistency of this mixture should be like a paste, and if you feel it is little bit thicker, you can add more ghee in it so that it becomes a paste like this. So first we are going to make a chapati out of a thick dough, and then we are going to spread this mixture on all of the side of this chapati. Just spread it all over the sides also, and then we are going to roll it just like we roll for a lacha paratha. Just roll it and pin the side in the middle so that it doesn't get opened. So after rolling this chapati and after cooking it, it will be similar to the lacha paratha. There will be layers inside it. So this is how the paratha looks like. Now we are going to cook it. So again, one side should be cooked, and then we are going to turn it over and apply some ghee, and then again we are going to turn it over and apply some ghee on the other side too. And then we are going to press it with this masher just to make it more crispier. So this particular paratha is called besan paratha, and this is really famous in Rajasthan, and everyone used to make it, and my best friend used to bring it in her lunch box, and I used to just finish it like quickly before she even eats it. So this is how the paratha looks like. It's so crispy and layered. You can see the layers inside, and the masala is evenly spread all over the sides also. This is so tasty and it looks so crispy, and the masala is evenly spread all over the sides. You can easily see and hear the sound of the crisp. This is my favorite paratha of all the parathas I have made, and I just love it so much. I can eat it anytime. So the fourth paratha is the easiest of all, and I used to make it like so many times. Whenever I feel hungry and I want to eat a paratha, I make this paratha. This is simple namak mirchi ka paratha, and you have to just make a roti, and you have to add this 2 masalas, some chili powder, some salt, and some jeera in it, cumin seeds, and some ghee, and just spread this mixture all over the roti chapati. And again we are going to fold it from the sides and from the middle just to make a square paratha out of it, and we are going to roll it and make a square paratha. This is so easy. Anyone can make this paratha, and it's super easy and super tasty to have, and all the ingredients are readily available at your home. You don't need to buy any extra ingredients from outside, and this paratha tastes so yum. So like all the parathas, we are going to apply some ghee on both sides and press it and make it crispier. So our namak mirchi ka paratha is ready, and you can easily eat with dahi or any pickle, or you can easily eat with like the paratha itself. And yeah, you can have it in breakfast or in the tea time. I hope you like this recipe, and please subscribe to this channel. Also like and share this recipe with your loved ones. And yeah, I'll see you next time in the next video, and for now, bye bye.